found some lemons to eat. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? So what are we doing today?
I'm making a lemon volcano. No, I just said that 2 times already.
Wow, lemon volcano.
And this is not white. This is a girl.
The girl, yeah, well, she's pink. Yeah,
I don't know.
let's get started on these lemon volcanoes. So,
See what
got
sandal
everything we
this
need.
is. Look at her. This is sanding.
Look, I've got a big knife here. Very dangerous.
Oh, don't cut her.
I'm gonna cut the top of this lemon.
Never do this at home with a knife.
I'll cut a lemon. This one. Cut this one off. Watch your fingers.
Now he's got some to eat too. Yum 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 yum. He's eating some lemons.
All right, so.
Okay, he's sitting on this. Like a lemon. Or too sour. He likes lemons. What take that away?
Alright, so we need some of this stuff here, Chloe.
This.
Put some of this in. I'm going to put some lemon juice in there.
Oh, I want to do it. Okay, you hold one.
Some in the middle, okay. Good, that's enough. Put some washing detergent in there. Yeah.
Make a lemon. Okay.
In the middle. Yes. More. Good. Put it back. Yeah, put it back.
Yep.
What dye do you want to put in it?
Pink in this one.
Yeah. Put a little bit of pink in that one.
And green in that. How do you make the volcano?
See, let me put that powder in.
Oh, okay. Volcano.
Alright, get the powder.
Get some powder, Siggy.
Open it. Yeah, open it, turn. There you go, good girl. Yeah. Okay, pour it just a little in the middle. Pop some more in there. Alright. Whoa.
But the pink was too much. That's not pink on the pink one.
Very fizzy.
But this one's not.
Okay. Let's put some lemon juice on it. Put some lemon juice on this. It does anything.
Oh, that's
Come on,
working.
do it. Whoa. Yes. That's it. Come on, do that. Alright, look. Whoa. Look at that. What do you reckon about that?
Cool.
Wow.
That one's got more going in it.
Wow.
Hope that makes sense.
So that's how you do it. Make sure you get it in there. Whoa. You do some more. In there. Some more. Down. Yes. That's it. And the other one.
Okay. Nice.
That's it.
This is cool. Wow, that's cool. That would you like it? I see right here. You like a volcanoes, pink and green? And this one turned white.
Pink. Pink and white, yes. And white and
I
white.
hope you like it. And see us next video. Oh, he wants to toss it.